If you're a local service business currently running Google Ads and you want to improve the overall performance of your ads and your conversion rate, my number one tip for you would be reduce the bidding of the desktop and tablet devices on your campaign. Now, you would do it for two main reasons. One, people are looking for businesses on desktop or on tablets, usually are shopping around and they're looking to get prices. People who are searching on their mobile phones are more inclined to close a deal right now because they need the service at this moment. They're not looking to wait, they're looking for someone to deliver a solution for them right now. And the second reason is a lot of the bots right now running on Google Ads are performing on desktop and tablets. So if you reduce the bidding by 100%, you would reduce the chances of bots clicking on your ads and spending your budgets. If you want more tips like this, and if you want to learn how to run Google Ads yourself without marketers and without marketing teams that are charging you anywhere from $10,000 to $20,000 every year just for your Google Ads, this course is for you. Click the link below and I'll see you on the other side.